Late night, we getting to it, baby. No cap. We gonna work. That's every day, man. Ain't no light, y'all. I don't got no light. Hold on. I'm gonna try to get y'all a little bit more light. Cause like, if I go to like another screen like this bright, so you can see me. You know what I'm saying? But when I get like this, if I close my eyes and close my mouth, you can't see me. Hold on, let's try it. Oh, you can see me because my light back there on and shit. That hoe. Hold on, y'all. Y'all a little bit of light. How y'all day going, man? We're gonna click a random vid.
Why is your account going up so much? Why are you making more money? What?
I'm not used to. It's gonna be my babe. No game. I send a nigga to grave. Back test session. If you shit, y'all can skip this part, but y'all probably already did. But alright, bet. Y'all know what the fuck we got going on. And by the way, that trade I took earlier this morning. Remember when I was like price consolidating right here and we gonna drop? As you can see that trade played out. If y'all watched my previous video from earlier today. And then it ended up blowing and then it just dumped off completely. But that's today, so let's get to back testing. I'm playing music. I wish I could play it for y'all, man. Yeah, I play our own music and watch this shit, but it's gonna have to be silent. I'm sorry, unfortunately. It was copyrighting every fucking video I had. Drake that bitch don't joke. Hit the wall. Then I go. 30 minutes. It's a higher time frame fair value got right here. Whenever, like I said, whenever you see hella fair value guys lined up like this is a higher time frame fair value gap. It might be all the way down here. I ain't gonna lie. And this would make sense because we come all the way to consequent encroachment. Let's just test that theory. This is consequent encroachment. This fair value gap in the middle. Yeah, it makes sense. It's crazy because I be dropping real sauce in these hoes though. If y'all can just be patient, y'all learn a lot. No cap. Consequent encroachment right here. I'm bearish. I haven't had a reason to go bullish. No SMTs nowhere. We had good displacement under here. We came back up. SMT right here. SMT right here. This turtle soup too. In order to validate this, gotta see this get displaced there. The hell? Got this SMT right here. I got a bearish context. Let's see. I figured. 95 40. Came up into this fair value gap. Kinda tapped into it. I'm gonna wait though. Since we had to close below this, I would be more willing to get in. We do have an SMT right here, but on my other video, let me turn this music down. On my other video, I told y'all the lower time frame. Nah, I'm just talking. Hold on, y'all. Like I told y'all, the bigger SMTs that are on a higher time frame, like these right here, are always gonna be more stronger when it comes to small fire SMTs right here. So because we had displacement below these lows right here, I 100% expect price to be bearish. Can we retrace for a second? Yeah, we can. That's what I'm gonna wait on. We had a fair value gap right here. We gotta tap into it right there. I'll short that. 14 points. I risk 17. Had my stop right there. And had these lows right here be targeted. I don't want to see this range be closed above. Nah, that fucked it up. I can't even see that shit. And the red kinda, I hate when that shit happen. Like I be trying to find like a neutral color, but I can't. I wanna click green right here. I click red right there. Guess I'm gonna have to go yellow. I could go orange too, but I ain't did yellow in a while. Alright, let's see. Okay, cool. Got caught in a consolidation range. Right here, price respected this level a lot. We still in the macro a little late, but we still in. This one of them instances where the SMT did hold. Even if it did, we respected that fair value beautifully too. Let me see what price do here now. Cause I can still re-enter. Y'all can see me. Hold on, y'all. Y'all can see me. Okay, but we had a tap back into this, which would be a beautiful level to have a continuation up. But we did just take this high, so I'm gonna be patient. We tap into it. I'll get longs in again. Right here. I stop for 20 points. I target 40 points. Irish 8 points. I go break even if we close below this fair value gap. Okay. So first trade, I lost 17 points. So 17 minus 7, 40 minus 17. I'm sorry, I'm a little tired. 40 minus 17, what that is, 23. So 23 points a day. Still want to review this trade because we had a higher time frame S&T right here, and it hit all the way down. What day is this? This is a Monday too, so it makes sense. Probably was a no news Monday, or who knows. If price is really volatile, I would have wanted to see these lows be hit, just because the context of the market. But we held right here. Price slowed down right here. Display strong above these highs right here. This close, that would have been a good trade because we had so much volume going in. Facts. Change this music. I know I'm big on music. I be trying to vibe, bro. Okay. I appreciate any one of y'all watching. Actually, thoroughly watching. Y'all want this shit, so I'm here to help as much as I can. Shit, I'm not an expert yet, but I'm here to help. I mean, let me not even say yet. I am an expert at this shit. I ain't gonna lie. That's what I do. Fuck you talking about. Alright, a higher time frame. This could be some kind of fair value gaps within here, but I can't see. So, it's based on what I have right now. We don't got no SMTs. We were continuing bullish. I would have wanted to see price hold somewhere around here. It did for a little bit. Broke that. These highs right here. All this liquidity. If we break through, support. If we break through here, I don't see no reason for us to go higher. Look like we trying to hunt if we go past that. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay. That's what I thought. We hunting these lows, especially on ES. I gotta get some kind of retracement to get in. Some kind of setup. It's actually a great fair value gap to retrace back into, because it looks like, yeah, that's about at 50% of this range. Let's see what price do. We're here. Okay. So price is definitely coming back. But do that mean that we're bullish? If we were bearish, I would have wanted to see more reversal type of movements. Right here, that would have been an A plus. Let's see what E is doing. Okay, that's why you always have to be observant, because now we're creating an SMT, so price might start to slow down now. Don't look like it. Look like we didn't slow down at all at these highs. We broke through with good displacement. Looks like ES is hunting liquidity. This liquidity right here. ES is hunting. We displaced through a fair value gap, tapped back into a fair value gap. I get in. About 23-point stop loss. Being protected by this fair value gap. And I'll target these highs for about 40 points. I would definitely break even. Knowing me, I probably would have took profit up here, but I'll let it ride out just cause. Okay. So that's a dub too. This shit live in action, bro. Like, I do this shit, bro, for real. And you know, let me give y'all, cause I really fuck with y'all. Like, I'm not gonna say I was the most consistent person ever when it comes to backtesting, because I didn't always backtest. Like, let me take that back. I always backtested, always have, always will, but wasn't as consistent. But I feel like now backtesting for an audience, it kind of forces you to be more persistent, shall I say, with it. Because not only am I helping some of y'all, but I'm also helping myself too. You feel me? Giving myself more, like, just extra work on some shit. No cap. Keeping me sharp. Keeping me sharp for sure. Strong displacement above these highs. It's not no baby ass displacement. Buy side up here. Buy side up here. A lot of buy side liquidity. Looks like we're in a market maker model. But because we're close to taking this liquidity, I don't really expect a straight shot. Can it happen? Yes. But do I expect it? No. What I expect is the price to, you know what I'm saying, like, you know what I'm saying, that's just how the market spools. Oh shit, not that, but yeah, that's how the market spools, but like that's how the shit works. So be very cautious on just slamming buys, because you can get fucked over. One thing I know just from market experience too is once price get closer towards liquidity, it likes to fuck over some people who are late bloomers. So just be cautious in the market. It is literally designed to fuck you up, bro. It's designed to fuck you up. Y'all stay hydrated. Stay fucking hydrated. Okay. Strong displacement though. So I'm not surprised at all if we just shoot up. But I wanna see more structure, excuse me. My point exactly. If okay, if we were to go back, I would have wanted this fair value gap to be held and this area right here to be held. Don't look like we are. So I'm gonna go down to 1 minute. I'm gonna go back to the 5 minute actually. I'm gonna mark out this fair value gap. That's the last fair value gap. When you got multiple fair value gaps stacked up, these range, fuck, sorry. These stack of fair value gaps are not invalidated until the last one is disrespected. Little tip. I think I gave y'all that before though. Okay. Not seeing no open fair value gaps, so being patient. Now we have a fair value gap right here. Did ES take this liquidity? Yes, it did. This fair value gap is going to be our context fair value gap. What are we doing? The fact that we're wicking inside of this so much is giving me bearish context. Because if we were truly bullish, I would have wanted to see it tap and go. So I'm going to short this. My stop at these highs, 30 points. Kind of a high stop loss. But I need at least 1 or 2. I can target 80 points. No. At the end of these fair value gaps right here. I'll target that. You know, it's so crazy. I knew that was gonna happen. That's first loss, 30 points. Add that up, y'all. I'm negative 30 for the day so far. Disrespected it coming back into this range, but I don't give a fuck about it no more because they got disrespected. They playing with it. Perfectly hit consequent approachment of this fair value gap. Let's see. I like this tap right here. I like these lows being swept. I like this liquidity sweep right here. I'll get in longs right here. Up 26 points. Up to this fair value gap right here. Okay. Yeah, this is crazy. This is crazy. Price action right here. I'm not mad about that at all. 2 losses, that's it. That's all I can do. But I do want to see how price play out. Okay, so this is an example of what not to fucking trade. As you can see, price is not sticking to one direction. You come up, oh no, now we're going down. Oh, we're going up, oh no, now we're going down. Oh, we're going up, oh no, we're going down. Oh my god, we're going up, yay, now we're going down. Oh, we're consolidating fair value gap, we're displacing, now we're dumping. Oh, now we're... Don't trade that. Bad marketing conditions, probably had bad news, who knows. Yeah, else. Part of the game. Who cares? Because one thing I want to let y'all know is whatever your win rate is, you have to understand that it's a percentage. A win rate is a percentage, meaning how much you lose compared to how much you win. So there is literally no way out of losses, bro. No way out. There's no way out of this. It's literally a part of the game. Hold on, y'all. BRB. Let me put my water in the refrigerator. Alright, bro. Okay. Due to the displacement right here, I can already tell we're bearish. Well, that's what it looks like at least. Cause sheesh, it had to be like some news or something, bro. By the way, there's no music playing right now, so I'm listening to the silence just like y'all. Ain't shit wrong with silence though. Like we're so consumed with chaos and noise and real world problems that we neglect how peaceful just silence is, bro. Sometimes niggas just be wanting silence, no cap. We have a fair value gap now. This price stopped in this fair value gap that I marked up on ES. What minute is that? 15 minute? Or is that a 30 minute? Oh, it's a 30 minute. Fair value gap came back down. No prominent SMT. This price gonna come into this fair value gap and then drop lower. I got a feeling it's gonna just go higher though, based on how it's moving right now. I think so. Now we having a spool down. Since it was so much volume there, bro, got stopped up right here in this fair value gap. At about 50% of the range. This is a Thursday. Don't really see a fair value gap getting displaced through, which is what I would want to see, but because this ain't the execution, y'all. I'm just trying to see how many points this is. Yeah, that's dead. Shoot right back up. Cause that's just what price be doing, bro. Like you kind of start to learn price action a little bit. It's attitude on some shit. It's gonna consolidate a little bit, and then it's gonna go up and down. Just not. Got this fair value gap right here to be. Should be my confirmation. Okay, I'll get in. I put my stop. Good night. I love you too. Yeah, she just said she screen recording, but she ain't sent it yet. As soon as she send it, I'ma send it. Huh? Oh, alright. I'll let her know. Love you too. Good night. In perfect conditions, this is gonna work out. I'll put it to even 30 points. In perfect condition, this is gonna work out. Looks like we have perfect conditions. 70-point dub. Reason I said in perfect conditions is because with us coming back, now we can go to a higher time frame now that that's done. Let's say the 15 minute. With price coming back and filling this in, what real reason did we have to reverse and go up? There's nothing here saying watch out for me. This big ass candle is saying I won't smoke with you. So you see this dramatic, huge ass candle like this. Where the fuck do you think he's trying to go? But price does what it wants to do, so can't always use your common sense in trading, but it's one of the most essential things I would say that not a lot of niggas use is their common fucking sense. Because it can get like, you can get you can get like analysis paralysis. Like you can have so much shit going on in your mind because you think this shit is so complicated, when in reality, shit light, bro. Oh shit. Wrong time frame. Displacement through these lows is very strong. Using my common sense, I would say that prices trying to rebalance into here. May that be true, maybe not. Okay. And if we rebalanced into consequent encouragement, if we're bearish, I want to see displacement out of it. Simple. You don't really gotta do that much analysis with this one. It is permissible for price to come up and tap into this fair value gap. NQ did tap into this fair value gap up here. I want to see the push out. We know price at consequent encouragement. I gotta have that right there. Turtle shoot. Oh, SMT. I want to see price. Strong displacement lower. I need to see strong displacement lower. Damn, we was already into the macro. I short it right here. Put my stops above these highs right here. I don't really need a confirmation. That's what you got right here. Got tapped into right here. Instantly went off. I don't expect price to come back and tap into this and reverse, because if it was truly bullish, we would have done that off of this one alone. But with price coming down here, seeing the reaction off these lows, this was going to keep it confident. Price at least is going to come in here, regardless if it wants to reverse or disrespect the fair value gap. It has to meet it. So I'm just going to make the trade on the meeting, not what the meeting is about, bullish or bearish, if that makes sense. So let's see how that works out. Don't really see a reason for price to reverse. It's no it's nothing significant. ES hasn't took it, nothing. There's no SMTs at the lows. There's nothing. So let's see. And proof to put in that you really don't always need a reason. Because yeah, like what the fuck is that? Won't say too much about it because it is a Friday and don't know what the news is looking like, and we are late into the macro, so makes sense. As you can see, it was just in one of those ranges. I said I want to see how price reacted after taking this low. Closed strong, but closed bullish even stronger, so that would actually been a pretty trade. Yeah, we did tap into this again, and go up. So that would have been a permissible trade. It would have been way outside the micro, but yeah, it's just one of those trades. I want to see if that price end up going lower though, or did it just keep running higher? So we ended up going higher. Probably later on it started going bearish. Yeah. In a situation like that, I'm not even gonna look for another trade. I'll do a few more for y'all. Hold on, y'all like, man, get the fuck up. I know. Me, mama come first, y'all. Y'all know y'all mama come first and don't say shit to me. Let me send some shit to my mama. I'm gonna do one or two more for y'all. Alrighty, let's get to it. Small volume imbalance. That price seems to be holding on the 1 minute. We'll come back to that and see if that was valid. Kind of looks similar to the last situation. Market maker model. I don't know. Yeah, market maker model manipulation down here. SMTs completed the market maker model. So in the general range, I want to see hold. Look like we closed pretty strongly through these fair value gaps, so I might be bearish. No SMTs at the top or bottom. So ES is spooling. We did. Volume imbalance did hold. SMT at these highs. This area got disrespected that I wanted to see hold. Closed below these strongly. Closed below these long strongly, but came back up. See what price do. Tap into it, my macro open. Now we're in it. Come to consequent encroachment, immediate push out. I'll take that. I like that. No diddy. I'll risk 25 points above the fair value gap, since I feel like we're truly bearish. I'm willing, this is only 50 points. I'm willing to hold this to these lows. Watch this accuracy, boys. Watch. This can make or break me. Watch this, guarantee on everything that's up to go through. And I no words. I don't got no words. And then it like casually stopped me out too. Like that's what's crazy. Like it took its time each step to my stop loss. That was crazy. In this scenario, uh, SMT ran. Wouldn't really be worried about another SMT because if we were truly bearish, this should have spooled price. This was a pretty execution. I'd take this any day of the week. But now I expect this to spool, so I actually get in again if I get another. Because now I'm actually bullish, honestly. I'm actually bullish now. But I'm not liking how that candle just opened. And we disrespected this range that I wanted to see. It created the SMT at this high. Now this is one thing. I don't know how that even just happened because my shit was on the dotted one. I don't know how it went back to regular, but I appreciate it. This may have been the real move because we created this manipulation late. I'm willing to hold this 30-point stop. I'm willing to hold this even with a better risk to reward to these lows. Break even after this lows took. Okay, that's just one of them days. No cap. SMT was created down here too, but that was kind of clicked through it too fast. SMTs was created. Now, let me give you a reason on why I shouldn't have took that trade and how this is a learning lesson. That first SMT that was here from I think these highs should have spooled price. So the fact that we made this SMT, I shouldn't have been worried about that because the first one should have been the one that really dropped it. So the fact that we made this in Tersuit, this is just another form of manipulation, and I got manipulated. And I was gonna say that before I even took this trade, but I second guessed myself. And now I expect price to just spool up to buy side. Yeah, I expect price to just spool up because the real move, the real manipulation should have been at that SMT. So this right here was just a way to manipulate you, and I knew that, and I still did it. So that's just a rookie mistake. But to be real with y'all, that might be the last one. I'll give y'all one more. I can't end it off like that. I'll give y'all one more. That was a great trade though. Excuse me, by the way. I don't mean to be no dirty ass nigga. Just burping and shit. I can love you better than she can. It's a song. I'm not gay. SMTs, external SMTs. This is a tricky one, y'all. Goof ah. I mean, fair value gap up here that hasn't even been tapped into, so it's a big draw on liquidity. We got a consolidation period, so we might have a manipulation before going up, or we might not. These highs have been taken right here, these prominent highs, so there's no SMT. It is right now, but I'm not really worried about that until we have to be. I would expect this to want to go higher. We'll see though. After value gap, let us know. Yeah, we got a accumulation range. Let's see. $39, $40, $41, $52. Okay. Since we're bullish, tap into my range again. Price came into that fair value gap. I want to see how we react off of this level. Might shoot up. But then it disrespected that. I get short right here. That's the area I want to see hold. I go break even after we hit there. Okay, so that was just a false disrespect, I guess. Now these highs both been took. 18-point loss. Price came back, touched into this fair value gap, held in this range, I guess. No S&Ts right here. This not just stupid executions, y'all. There's real reasons on why I'm doing everything that I'm doing. Stop loss right here to this fair value gap that it looks like it's targeting. Damn near stopped out. Reason why I'm happy but not happy with this is because it's a Friday. I didn't see that. It's a Friday. Fridays and Mondays are the most least probable days. If you hear me saying that a lot, like it's a Monday or it's a Friday, those are the least probable days during the week. I want to see price respect this range right here. This spool came back, respected again. Okay, cool. And then decided to take off and do its thing. There's no S&Ts right here. I don't know, it really didn't have a general reason to coming back down here. There's no fair value gaps right here or anything. Like, it's just price being priced and fucking over as many people as it can before doing what it actually wants to do. So yeah, that's that. Could have still been a little bit more patient, let it tap into it again, and then disrespect this fair value gap. That would have been way more cleaner. We're gonna work on that. So yeah, that's that. Peace and love, y'all. I'm tired. I know you probably tired too. A lot of game here. That's the end of it, man. See y'all boys tomorrow, man. We gone.